Give the definition of castle for beginner level students.
A castle is a big, strong building where kings and queens used to live. It has high walls and towers to keep it safe.
Is the pronunciation of the sentence correct?
My eyes will tears and my dress will tear.
My eyes will tear and my dress will tear. Both instances of tear are pronounced differently. The first tear means to cry, and the second tear means to rip.
Is this sentence grammatically correct?
Yesterday I wake up early and I feel great.
Your sentence has a small grammar error. It should be, yesterday I woke up early and felt great. Using woke up and felt puts it in the past tense.
Have a conversation with me to help me practice English, but I only know about 400 words in English.
Sure thing, we can talk about anything you like. What's your favorite hobby?
I like playing tennis.
Tennis is great. Do you play often?
I cook dinner. After dinner, I watch TV. Then I go to bed. I like to go to the park because it was beautiful.
I like to go to the park because it is beautiful.